So what do you guys think about this? Could we see a massive rally occur for Hashgraph? Are whales buying HBAR right now? If so, can you tell by the chart? Yes, you can. Of course, you can tell what other people are up to because they leave us breadcrumbs. They leave us a trail of where they've been and where they're trying to go. So if you can learn how to interpret what other people are trying to do, we can actually get ahead of them so that we can predict and profit more than them because they'll be sitting on the wrong side of the trade. You guys want to learn more? Welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you tap the bell notification as well because I don't want you to miss out on any of my predictions that I produce here for cryptocurrencies. Now, price prediction right there in HBAR was completed on the 18th. We was talking about HBAR going down. Boom, it did that. Not surprised. However, you can see that HBAR did come and bounce at this buy pocket that we created. Again, not surprised because, as I said earlier in this video, they leave us breadcrumbs. Evidence is always being dropped on price charts. If we can interpret it, put these things together, come up with a formulation, we can say, I think the market has higher probability of going in this direction. That's why we predicted HBAR going down. So now we might predict HBAR going up. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction right there. That is 27.48%. Pretty good call. We will also get rid of this buy pocket. We will get rid of this buy pocket, even though we notice, okay, that the market buyers did come and support price there. They showed up, and we appreciate them giving us that big clue. They showed up, and if they show up, guess what we do? We're going to show up right alongside with them because right there in HBAR, we received that sell, right? That sell was triggered in HBAR right here. So seemingly we would say, cool, the market is still weak. And price in HBAR did go down the next day. But how did it complete? Price closed at the high of the bar. So again, this gives us confirmation that these buyers definitely won against the sellers. It's just that simple. Okay. So now let's get rid of this. And we will get rid of this sell pocket. You can tell that even for this pocket of selling here, that those sellers became a little bit more active. They're trying to push the price in Hashgraph down. They're trying to. But the strength into the market in HBAR looks to be in favor of the buyers right now. So we may not see price in HBAR really trade below this sell pocket. We might hit the next one or the bigger one up there around 20 cents. So let's see. Let's look at HBAR real quick on the 2. So we got 13 hours left on this current 2-day price bar, and it doesn't look bearish. It looks pretty bullish, even off of the selling that occurred on the prior 2 days. Here it is on the 3. The 3-day chart looks pretty bullish here too, to the point where in the next 3 to 4 days, we might see price in HBAR hit that 20-cent sell pocket. Here it is on the 4. Same thing. We might have bottomed out just for a short time. So I don't want you all to think that this downtrend is over for this market. But if anything, we may see price at least try to break this downtrend. Okay, so we're still semi-bearish, right? So if we're going to predict higher prices in HBAR, we're not going to give you something that's astronomical out the way of possibility, like looking for HBAR to run to 40 cents in the next 2 weeks. Here it is on the 5. Okay, so we will look at the market HBAR on the 5-hour chart. Here it is. Okay, so the market buyers currently are chipping away at these sellers in this sell pocket. They did it once here, did it a second time there, and here it is again the third time. So that's what chipping away certain pockets look like. Buyers continue to hit the sell pocket, eliminating these people willing to sell HBAR to eventually to where they'll break it to the upside. Here it is on the 330. Here is HBAR on the 1-hour chart. Okay, and here it is on the 3. So I'm pretty much done already. We are going to look for price to go higher in HBAR. And our first target is going to be this sell pocket around 18 to 18.5 cents. That is around 8.13% move higher. And we're going to create another pocket first. Okay, let's make that into a buy pocket. Okay, yeah. All right, so our first target is at this second sell pocket. Let's make it about 7.5%, 8%. And then our next target will be all the way up here around 20 cents, which will give us 17.25% move up in HBAR. Then we go ahead and get rid of that sell pocket too. All right, so that's it. Clean chart now. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.